If you're not already familiar with G-Shock's premier line of tough watches, by the end of this video, you will be. Here is the Casio G-Shock MTG B3000-BDE-1A. If you didn't know, the MTG range stands for Metal Twisted G-Shock, and they use the best of the best materials and technology to produce truly amazing watches. Standout characteristics from the MTG series include their razor sharp finishes, lightweight composite metals, and intricate dials. On this one, we have a tasteful black and gold color palette that exudes confidence. A 3-hand analog solar quartz movement adorns the dial, which also includes a 24-hour subdial, a 12-hour subdial for a dual time setup, which also has the tiniest little AM/PM dial right next to it. Finally, a multifunction dial, which includes the day of the week, battery indicator, and mode indicator is also included. It's a busy dial, but I think it suits the style of this watch nicely. All of the dials have a circular finish around them, so they catch the light beautifully, which adds to the superior finishing. Surprisingly, this watch isn't as bulky as it seems, and it's actually only 0.3 millimeters thicker than the slimmest men's G-Shock, which is the GA2100 Casio. So that means it's only 12.1 millimeters thick. Lug to lug is 51.9 millimeters, and width is a solid 50.9 millimeters. So not a very small watch by any regards, but it's also not the biggest G-Shock or MTG out there at all. It looks bigger in the product images if you ask me. With this model, we do get an extra band in this urethane band with gold accents. Changing the band has never been easier with the all-new one-touch exchange structure. Simply push in the buttons located on the sides of the lugs and pull the band out. No more tools are required, and you can swap over the band in an instant. I think this is a really cool feature. Honestly, I don't know why other brands don't include something similar. It's these little innovations that make Casio such a great watchmaker. I don't think you'd accidentally unclip the band while wearing it, since it does take a decent amount of pressure to get it undone. Talking about the bracelet, the layered stainless steel band takes on some beautiful finishes, ensuring that it reflects light in a sublime fashion. The links feel very high quality, and the best part of it is the interior. On the inside is a fine resin material that feels really soft and makes it so that no cold metal will touch your wrist. Overall, it's very comfy on the bracelet and the included band. The MTG range carries over every shock and water resistant quality that every other G-Shock has, but in a super high quality case using the highest grade materials and superior finishing. This one is absolutely beautiful and can be used in any occasion. Then go great with a suit or jeans and a t-shirt. Get your wallets ready to check out the MTG range online at watchdepot.com.au. These aren't cheap, but I think they're worth every penny. What do you think? Would you buy one? Are they worth the price? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more of your favorite watch content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.